Hello everyone, look at these beautiful flowers. Let's make it. So we're going to use pipe cleaners. Roll it and then we're going to pull it down. We are making the flower petals here. After this, we're going to make more such flower petals. Spread it like this and the flower is ready. You can also use fairy lights for the center part. Next, we are going to use this pink color of ribbon. As you can see, we're going to take two ribbons and with the help of this needle and thread, we're going to make pleats. Tie a knot like we're doing here in this video and cut the thread. After this, we're going to open it and make it fluffy. Now the flower is ready. After this, we're going to make the center part. As you can see, we're going to make the stick, paste all of them together and look how beautiful these flowers are looking. Next, we're going to use pipe cleaners to make the flowers. Take this blue pipe cleaner and fold it like this. Keep folding it and twist it. We are making the flower petals here. For the center part, we are going to use a bead. Take another piece and we're going to make more flower petals. Now we're going to bend all the petals from the top. The flower is ready. You can cover the rest using the floral tape. Make more such flowers for the stick. Next, we're going to use this yellow color of ribbon for the flower. Take the needle and make the pleats. Use the thread and then we're going to tie it like this. After this, we're going to cut the thread with the help of scissors and then we're going to open the flower petals and make it fluffy, look like this. After doing that, we're going to make the center part and then we're also going to add the sticks of the flower. Fix it from the bottom and you can also make more flowers for the decor piece and look, it is ready. Now we're going to make these flowers. As you can see, you can take this wire and put the flowers inside and then we're going to tie it, spin it like we're doing here in this video, make more such flowers and then tie all of them. We're going to create a stick here. As you can see, we're going to twist all the wire. You can also use this pipe and then put the wire inside. Now bend all the flowers. You can make the flowers using tissue paper and look how pretty these are looking. As you can see, we're going to take this oval shape and paste the pipe cleaner on the top of it. Wrap it like we're doing here and cover it. After this, we're going to take another pipe cleaner, tie it and twist it. After doing that, we're going to twist it from the bottom as well. Keep twisting it like this and then we're going to make a swan shape. After this, we're going to put the wings and you can also make these beautiful shapes for your car decor as well. As you can see, we're going to take this purple color of pipe cleaner and bend it and make this heart shape. Now twist it from the bottom and then we're going to take the rest of the pipe cleaner and cover it. After doing this, we're going to cut the extra part. Now make more such beautiful heart shapes and then we're going to tie all of them together. Cut the extra part and look how pretty these are looking. You can put it at the back side of these swans and use it in so many ways. You can put it on the top of your car dashboard and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.